Do you want to remove the WhatsApp link from Instagram profile? You can remove WhatsApp from Insta bio with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To remove your WhatsApp link from your Instagram profile, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, you are on your Instagram profile page. Tap on the Edit Profile button located below your bio section. A new screen will appear with different options. On the Edit Profile screen, scroll down and tap on the Banners option. Here, you will see the WhatsApp button you added earlier. Tap on the cross icon next to the WhatsApp name. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Remove to confirm your action. After removing, tap on the Done icon at the top right of the screen. Your WhatsApp link will now be removed from your Instagram bio, and the WhatsApp button will no longer appear on your profile.